Hey, I'm Matthew Morris for Highland Woodworking, and today we're going to be talking about SawStop's Folding Outfeed Table. In a wood shop, an outfeed table can really be a tremendous help. Try breaking down a full-size sheet of plywood, or building a set of kitchen cabinets, or cutting that tabletop to size without one. You'll be pushing your stock across the table, and as its weight shifts off the table, you lose support and the cut becomes dangerous as you try to keep the stock from falling off the table, and all of a sudden you are getting closer and closer to the blade. If you've ever visited a cabinet shop, a woodworking school, or just a larger shop in general, you may have noticed that at the end of their table saws, they tend to have some type of permanent outfeed support. Now you may be working in, say, a smaller shop, like a two-car garage, and you may even be sharing space with one or two of those cars. In that instance, space is limited and every inch counts. Now, if you have a SawStop table saw, professional cabinet saw, or an industrial cabinet saw like I do, SawStop has a solution for you, and that's SawStop's Folding Outfeed Table. It's a lightweight, all-metal construction designed to accommodate your homemade or store-bought crosscut sled. Its legs are adjustable to keep your outfeed surface level with the saw, and when you don't need it or it's time to put everything away at the end of the day, it folds down and takes up almost no room in your shop. SawStop's outfeed table was really easy to put together. In less than an afternoon, it was assembled, leveled to the saw, and I was breaking down material. It's even compatible with SawStop's mobile bases on both professional cabinet and industrial cabinet saw like I have. And even though I don't have them, the overarm dust collection and the floating overarm dust collection guard. Now, with the outfeed table folded up and level to the saw, let's make some cuts. Now, as you see here, as I'm cutting the plywood, it comes off the table saw and its weight shifts to the outfeed table, providing additional support and safety. When cross-cutting a board, it helps support the board as it passes across the blade as it's being cut. Now, once you're done with all your cuts, or all the cuts that you're gonna need the folding outfeed table, all you have to do is fold it down. It's that easy. If you're interested in SawStop's folding outfeed table, any of their table saws, or other accessories, head on over to highlandwoodworking.com.